I am constantly amazed by how this hair blends so beautifully with my 40 natural hair. I mean, you cannot even tell where my hair starts from and where my hair ends. So if you think this is my hair or you're not sure if it's my hair or not, then this video is for you.
It's not my fault.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. Before we continue with this video, we're just going to do an unboxing section in ASMR, okay? A little bit details about this hair. This hair is a 3-in-1 half wig from Hergivenhair. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but it's one of my top 3 wigs so far from this brand. I've worked with them so many times, and when I tell you it's not on number 3 or number 2, let's just keep it going. This hair is in 18 inches, is the Kinky 4B 4C texture, and it comes in color 1B, or it came in color 1B because I requested for the hair to be darker. It has two clippings at the top and two clippings on the side. That's a total of 4 clips, and it also has a drawstring, or it comes with a drawstring, and it is a free size wig. So it means if you have a big head like me or you have smaller head, it would definitely fit regardless of what size head you have. Okay, so first off, I have to obviously wash my hair because, or wash the hair, because we cannot walk with hair that is not washed. Let's just wash it for 2 reasons. So you can actually see the original curl pattern of the hair, and I feel like they dyed this hair, so I had to wash that out. As you can see in the color of the water, you can see, like, I don't know if you guys have dyed like a hair before, you would notice like when you're rinsing it out, that's the color of the water. That was how I was able to tell that they actually dyed it darker for me. And I also went in with this Dove conditioner. I don't use like expensive shampoo and conditioner when I'm washing my hair extensions, just because, you know, yeah, we're still going to wash them over and over again. So yeah, this is the conditioner on the hair and this is what it looks like. So I just washed that out, and this is the curl pattern, guys. This curl pattern it's giving, it's curly, it's coily, it's, you know, it's not tangled. I wanted to show you guys like my hand passing through, and this was the shed hair. You do not expect to not have shed hair, especially with kinky texture hair. You would always get shed hair. So if you get a kinky texture hair and you're not thinking, oh, it's not going to shed, or you're thinking it's not going to shed, don't play yourself like that, sis. Okay, don't play yourself. It's going to shed, but the amount as to which is shed is what you should look at, and I think that was a fair enough shedding for the hair. So now I section my hair in 2 parts. I'm going to section the front part away, and then the back section I'm just going to cover it up with like a wig cap, so I can place my wig over that section. So one thing with this is, even if you just clip one wig, one cap, one, what am I saying, even if you just clip one of the clips on your hair, it's sturdy, it's going to sit. Even if you get in a fight, please do not get in a fight. And I don't know why I use fighting to what you call it, to reference this, but even if you get in a fight, you're not, they're not going to pull it, it's not going to fall down. Okay, if the wind blows, it's still going to sit. Okay, it's going to sit on your head. And one thing I love about this wig is there's no tension on your edges, like your edges are safe. For some of us that are losing our edges, I don't know why, but my edges are safe, and you, as you can see, I'm not putting any pressure or glue or anything on my edges. They're just sitting, doing their job, being pretty, you know. Anyways, I'm just trying to blend out the hair into my own natural hair, and this is what the afro looks like. I mean, can you tell this is my hair or not? I sis, can you tell me this is not my hair? Or can you tell where my hair stops and where the wig starts? Nope. You cannot. I mean, this wig is so lovely. I'm thinking I'm going to like cut it a little bit just so it blends very well and matches my hair length, and that's my go-to wig. The next style I'm going to be showing you guys is a headband wig, and this headband wig bang head it's banging. Okay, this headband wig is also one of my go-to, I would say, for this, especially maybe in the summertime, even the winter time. You can have your style in the headband form. I have this band thingy that I got from Nigeria a long time ago that I haven't used. I mean, this is the time to use it. Bring out all of those scarves, those bands. This is the time to use them, or this is the perfect wig for those bands. And then I'm just going to spray my hair with some water just to give it some shape and attach the band or the headband. Why did I say band? I don't know. The headband over the part where the wig starts. You do not have to add the headband, it's your choice. You can also still go out with the hair without the headband, but this is such a beautiful style. This is such a way to still protect your hair, not have any leave out, and just go, just move and walk like it's your hair and be gorgeous on the streets. Okay, now the final style I'm going to show you guys is I section my hair in two, and then I'm adding the wig at the back section. So for this section, you can use it as a ponytail or you can use it as like a back section. I don't know if you get what I mean. Like, I could easily do this style as a ponytail, or I could easily do it as a um low puff or low section, if that makes any sense. So I just section the front part and I'm going to flat twist that. When I'm flat twisting it towards the end, I'm going to pick up some of the hair from the wig because I want to have like a long section ends of for the twist. You guys are going to see what I'm going to do with that, but as you can see, when I was like using the section from the wig, the hair was not tangling. That's one thing I noticed with this specific wig. It does not tangle as much. Once you just spray water, oops, your hand is just going to pass through or slide through. And I'm also going to be flat twisting the front part because that's the style I was going for. I initially wanted to go like with the roll twist, but I just felt that's just going to look so bulky, and then I decided to go with a flat twist. I'm just brushing the back section, and I also had a little bit of leave out in the back section where I just brushed, so I used that to cover up the wig if it shows, which it wouldn't show. You don't have to do that, but just me being a perfectionist, I just wanted to do that. And now I'm going to pin the rest of the ends of the flat twist on the edges and just cover that up with the hair. And this is the final result. This is what the hair is looking like. I mean, it looks very beautiful. Just use you can spray water on it whenever you feel like it's not fluffed enough. And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think about this style. I think it's really gorgeous. I think it's beautiful. Hi everyone, so I've come to the end of this video. This is the final style I decided to do with this half wig, and I think this hairstyle is really beautiful and gorgeous. Like, I can go out and people would think this is my hair. I think my favorite is the afro look and this one. Let me know which of them is your favorite. The headband is also a really gorgeous style, but like, I just wanted to give you guys something that is not like basic, which is the afro, and then also show you guys a way you can style it elegant and, you know, in a low style. You can also use this as a ponytail if you want to, but I wanted like a low back, like, you know, when you have long hair and you just want to style the front part and you just leave the back. Yes, that was what I was aiming for with this hairstyle. However, I think the hairstyle is beautiful, and I also think you can achieve this same hairstyle with ponytail. This half wig can go into a ponytail, so it just depends on how you want to use it. or how you want to style it. As you know, this brand has like high quality hair. Most of my clippings, most of my ponytails, most of my 4C blendable hair are from this company, so I think you guys should definitely check it out. Let me know what your thoughts are. It's really sturdy on your hair once you use the pin. You don't have to even use the drawstring all the time. So let me know what you guys think about this style. I've come to the end of this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye.